Sign in with the demonstration email demo@demo.com. Then choose Sign in. When registering, use your own working mobile number. OTP verification is required. Open Contacts, choose New Contact, and enter the customer details. Add the address, copy it to shipping, and save. From the left menu, open Masters, select Items, then choose New Item. Select Service and enter its name. Add SAC, GST rate, and sale price, then save. Create a tax invoice. Select Greenfield Stores, then choose Website Setup Service. BooksIQ calculates GST automatically and saves the invoice. Use GST returns for GSTR1 and GSTR3B, TDS returns for deduction filing, final accounts for trading, profit and loss, and the balance sheet, then compliance for due dates. All key deadlines stay together in one calendar.